opinion, I think for the past 10 years, CAADP wasn't taken as seriously as it should have been done by member states and everybody else. I think people saw it as an abstract concept which could be referred as and when it was necessary. So you find that it was only maybe from the second half of the last decade that people started taking CAADP seriously and started developing policies around that, because CAADP as a continental policy framework is supposed to give guidelines to how national policies are developed and implemented. However, we have seen, for instance, in the Southern African region, we have seen the SADC agriculture policy being put up by the Secretariat in Botswana, and we've seen member states coming up with national agriculture policies, which means I think probably member states started taking this seriously in the second half of the first 10 years of CAADP. We have seen CAADP also in the second half of the first 10 years, countries starting to develop their national agricultural investment plans and signing the compacts, and some of them developing the business plans, which means the second half of CAADP actually, of the CAADP existence, kind of brought in a momentum to the importance of CAADP, or realization by the member states that agriculture is a very important component of economic or economic and inclusive growth on the continent. I think CAADP has started to show results, and we hope that as we move in the next decade, we'll see this being implemented at a faster rate, not only in terms of development of policies, but implementation and setting up timelines, which are really, really important, because policies have been there, but there's always been a gap between policy and implementation. And in terms of this process of policy formulation, we would want to see the voices of the intended beneficiaries, mostly smallholder farmers and women and youth, being catered for in the policy for guidelines. And there's need really we all know that policies are not enforceable. How are we going to ensure that the policy guidelines are going to be enforced? I think member states should start looking at putting together agricultural legislation for enforcement of the CAADP process, or the policies that they have developed from the CAADP implementations.